Claude Design in 2 minutes or less. So what can you do with it? First of all, you can make little videos just like this, although it makes it all using code. Now these videos it can create using a design system, basically like a kind of glorified brand kit that's interactive, which is pretty cool. You can also make landing pages. It always asks you a bunch of questions, which is a nightmare. But you can also make landing pages and websites and stuff like this as well, which is actually pretty cool. Now, how do you actually use it? Because it's a bit of a nightmare to look at. Well, basically, you have kind of examples here that you can go and check out to see if you like. But on the left-hand side here, we have prototype. This is to make apps. You can either do a wireframe, it's like super basic, or high fidelity, so that's one that actually looks good. And for here, you can select different design systems. I've just got the one. Slide decks, you can make full slide decks as well. I'll show you in a moment. And you can even have speaker notes in them. You can create from a template, so basically motion design. And then other is like if you just want to make your own thing and go about it. Now the cool thing here with Claude Design is that you used to, in artifacts, only be able to create one like web page. Now you can create a bunch, but also you can create these interactive different slideshows. So if we go to Scripty, I think it will be under, and here we have this slide deck which we can open up here. If we can flick through, and if you don't like it, you can come, you can actually, what is it, edit here. You can select on that and we can change it, which is pretty cool. But the only problem with all of this stuff is basically the usage. So as you can see, we have a new usage which is Claude Design, and it's a weekly limit. And I have, as we can see here, if we go to your designs, I've created the Planet Explorer, Scripty, and a couple of others, and I've already hit my weekly plan 100%. So be well.